In this video, we'll show you how to do metadata analysis for improved SEO. Properly optimized metadata, like title tags, meta descriptions, and keywords, can be the difference between being buried in search results or ranking on the first page. In this video, we're diving deep into why metadata analysis is critical for improving your SEO, driving more traffic, and ensuring your content is accurately represented across the web. Step 1. Install the Superintent extension by going to superintent.io. Click the Install button. You'll be redirected to the extension page. Click Add Extension. You can bookmark the newly installed extension for a better and faster experience. Step 2. Go to the page you wanted to analyze and click the icon on the top right side of the browser. This will then show you the metadata analysis, together with other details, such as headings and keyword analysis. As you browse, the Superintent extension automatically analyzes the metadata of any web page in real time. No need to dig through the page source or use multiple tools. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. The metadata viewer provides a comprehensive overview of all the critical fields, including title tag. This shows you the title of the page, giving you insights into what search engines and users see first. Meta description. See the description that summarizes the content of the page, crucial for improving click-through rates. Keywords. Understand the targeted keywords that the page is optimized for. Viewport. This field reveals the viewport settings, essential for responsive design and mobile friendliness. Canonical URL. Check the canonical link to avoid duplicate content issues and ensure proper indexing by search engines. Robots. Tag. See the directives for search engine crawlers, indicating whether a page should be indexed or followed. Open graph data. View the metadata used to control how your page is displayed on social media platforms. With this information, you can easily optimize your metadata to fit within search engine guidelines, ensuring that your content is both concise and impactful. Want to know more about this lightweight and powerful tool to help your business? Check out the related video in the description box below. Got questions or topics you want us to cover? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.